Asia-Pacific markets rise in Russia-Ukraine batka. Tuesday saw gains throughout the Asia-Pacific region as investors took stock of Russia and Ukraine's evolving political scenario. The Nikkei 225 index in Japan rose 1.2% to 26,844.72 and the Topix index rose 0.54% to 1,897.17, respectively. Both the Shanghai and Shenzhen indexes in China gained by 0.77% and 0.25%, respectively. A 0.38% gain was seen in afternoon trading on the Hang Seng Index in Hong Kong. By exceeding expert predictions of 49.9, the official Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index (PMI) in China for February rose to 50.2 out of 50. This month's result is only a little higher than January's 50.1. When the number rises over 50, this indicates growth, but when it falls below, this indicates contraction. It is important to remember that PMI data are consecutive and show growth or contraction from one month to the next. Factory activity in China seems to be increasing as well, according to a private PMI survey. The S&P/ASX 200 index in Australia rose by 0.67%. In accordance with a Reuters poll, the Reserve Bank of Australia held rates steady at 0.1%. Various variables, including the conflict in Ukraine, are being monitored to see whether they have an impact on Australian inflation, according to the central bank. There will be no trading on Tuesday in South Korea because of a national holiday. Outside of Japan, MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific equities rose by 0.68% on Wednesday. Baidu, the Chinese computer behemoth, is set to report fourth-quarter profits late in Asia. Investors are evaluating the uncertainties in Russia and Ukraine, as well as the sanctions that follow, and this has resulted in substantial monthly losses for the three main U.S. stock indexes. Both nations met for the first time on Monday, and according to the Associated Press, more discussions might take place shortly. Due to Russia's invasion of Ukraine last week, the United States and its allies have declared harsh penalties on the Russian capital. Canadian crude oil imports will be banned as the first Western country to directly target Russian energy. The White House hasn't yet sanctioned the oil and gas business, but it hasn't ruled it out either. As the currency plummeted, the Russian central bank more than quadrupled its benchmark interest rate on Monday.